Hi, hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ridwana's Rasoi. Today's recipe is chicken reshmi kebab or malai tikka, which has its roots from the Mughlai cuisine. The silky texture and succulence of the meat makes this kebab melt in your mouth with every bite. So let us quickly check out the ingredients and get started. This recipe consists of two marinations. So for the first marination, I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken, which is cut into small sized cubes. To this, I am adding 1 tablespoon of freshly ground ginger garlic paste, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Here I am adding half tablespoon of salt, which can also be adjusted during the second marination. Along with that, I am adding a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix in all the ingredients and allow the chicken to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can proceed with the second marination. So for that, first I have taken 3/4 cup of hung curd. Tie some curd in a muslin cloth and leave it hanging for around 2 hours or until all the water is drained out. Next in goes half cup of cooking cream. Along with it, I am adding 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. You can also use any kind of processed cheese in grated form. Here I am adding 5 green chilies, which are roughly crushed. You can also add green chili paste. Next in goes 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can also add white pepper powder if you like. This is kasuri methi, which is around a tablespoon. Gently crush it with your hands and add it to the marinade. To bring in the Indian flavor, I am adding half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix in all the ingredients well. Reshmi actually translates to soft and smooth, so therefore tenderness of the chicken has to be kept in mind while making this kebab. Lastly, I am going to add a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. This will act as a binding agent and will help the marinade to stick to the chicken. So with this, our second marinade is ready. Now to the chicken that was marinating, I am going to add this second marinade that we just prepared. You can see that it is nice and thick, and that is what we exactly want. If it is too watery, then it would not stick to the chicken and would fall apart when the chicken is cooked. To take this recipe to the next level, I am going to give this a charcoal flavor. So for that, I have taken an aluminium mold, and in that I am going to place a burning hot piece of coal. Add a little bit of oil and cover it completely so that the smoke does not escape. Leave it covered for around 10 minutes or until all the smoke is gone. Leave the chicken to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. After 2 hours, we can now thread the chicken onto the skewers. Ensure that the skewers are soaked in water for around 30 minutes so that they do not burn while grilling. You can cook this chicken on a pan at low to medium flame, slowly flipping the skewers at regular intervals until you get those grill marks. If you have an oven, that would be the most hassle-free method to make these chicken kebabs. Preheat the oven at 250 degrees Celsius and cook the chicken for a total of about 20 minutes. At 10 minutes interval, apply some butter, flip the skewers and cook it for another 10 minutes. I know most of you all have already started rolling, but now you no longer have to. Just grab these simple ingredients and go ahead in making these super juicy and soft chicken reshmi kebab or malai tikka. Hit a like and press the subscribe button for more interesting content. Do check out my kebab recipes given in the end screen below. Thanks for watching.